Okay, welcome back, WickedScrew Garage. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Haven't done an unboxing video before, but I just got something, so I might as well. This time we're going to do the, you can see that there, Harbor Freight 40-pound sandblast cabinet. Just bought it. I think we're going to need some caulking to put this together, which I've read online because there's lots of videos about this on YouTube. I don't have any caulking on me right now, so we're not going to assemble it. Might do when I get some caulking, do a video later about assembling it. Owner's manual. Plastic door. With lights. I think I've seen on YouTube videos that this light is pretty much junk and you're going to want to replace it with a much better one, but we'll see. And the side thing, yeah, like a door or something. The other side thing, I think that's the vacuum port. Vacuum out the dust. Here's the, the inlet for the air. Vacuuming out, the air needs to come in here, comes out there. More triangle pieces. Gloves. Plug it, it's supposed to be for the light. Plug it in. Thing of hardware. That's good. Ooh, that's the glass. Well, we'll just leave that in there. Ooh, nice. On-off switch. Box for the on-off switch, I think. Sleeve things for the gloves. Siphon tube. Trigger. Ceramic nozzle. Comes with some extras. Different sizes. Oh, it's got so a total of 4 of these nozzles. That's good because these wear out. Foam padding just to put around the edges, but I think this is what I read, that you need to not use this because it's not so good, and use caulking instead to really seal them because the sand will blow out the edges. It's Teflon tape, masking tape, plastic pieces, and then the front where your arms go. This looks like the place where the window goes. Like so. Personal safety, blah blah blah. Air source, yeah, I have an air source. Silicosis and aluminum oxide warnings. Oh, yeah. Respiratory disease, yeah. Should wear a respirator face mask when you're doing this, even though it's sealed inside the box. Might get some stuff in the air. You don't want to breathe it when you're opening and closing the door either. Light clamps, then gloves, then dust port. Then you assemble the whole cabinet. Then the light switch. Then the funnel part at the bottom. Then the legs. Tells you how to hook up the hose and regulator and air filter. I got that stuff. I should be okay. I think I can just run a hose right to this. 90-day warranty, blah, blah, blah. They tried to sell me an extended warranty, like a 2-year warranty, I think, for $49.95. I'm like, no. I'm paying an extra $50 for this thing. They normally have it for $180. I got it for $140 with a coupon. That, if you're gonna get this, definitely get the coupon. $40 off. That's a big deal. That's a big chunk. Then they didn't have the 50-pound bags abrasive, the black aluminum oxide abrasive that I wanted, so I got a 25-pound. I think the 50-pound was $45. Each of the 25 pounds were $30. I was a dumper girl. I dumped the sand out of the bottom. Dump all the sand out. That's for just when you want to change the sand. That's a really loose, sloppy hinge, but whatever. Good Teflon tape. It's wide. Look how wide that is. That's like a ½ inch. Holy crap, it's an entire roll. That's a big, thick roll of... Sweet. I never buy any of this stuff because I just keep getting it free places. It just comes with things. Ooh, very rubbery. Ooh, that's pretty nice. Not too big, not overly big. Okay. like my hands. My hands are not big either, so that's good. And then we'll start putting it together. I'm not going to finish putting it together because I still don't have the caulking, but we'll make a film about that later.